Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders if the quantity or amount does not match the specified condition in Shopify. Using the matched quantity or amount condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Here we can see that the gift card product is tagged with the digital tag. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the matched quantity or amount condition. So first, we'll search for matched quantity or amount in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. In this combination section, you can create product matched quantity or amount combination rules by selecting selected products and required products. First, choose whether the rule should be based on quantity or amount. Then enter the required value in the For Every field. For this video, I've selected quantity and set it to 1. Then I chose product tags and entered digital. You can also click Add another selected product to include multiple selected product conditions. In the Required Products section, select the requirement type from the drop-down menu. Exact quantity, minimum quantity, exact amount, minimum amount. For this video, I selected minimum quantity and entered 1. Then I chose product tags and selected exclude, then entered digital tag. You can also click Add another required product to create additional required product conditions. This means whenever a customer adds one digital tagged product to their cart, they must also add a minimum one non-digital tagged product. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, for each gift card, minimum one non-gift card product must be included in the cart." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order. The checkout is blocked because the customer has added only gift card to the cart. Since this rule requires a minimum one non-gift card product for every one gift card, customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's add non-gift card products to the cart and check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!